This week, the kids are becoming experts on themselves.
What is this? What is this?
Labeling parts, coloring posters, and learning what's on the inside versus the outside.
What about the heart? Inside. What about the eyes? Outside.
It's a hands-on journey of discovery, ending with one big cheer. I love my body. Next, we're building Q-tip skeletons to see how our bones and joints help us move. Buckle up! We're taking a ride in our Inside Your Outside machine to see hearts pumping and brains busy thinking.
It helps me think. My heart. It helps my blood pump blood.
The discovery continues as the kids explore their 5 senses.
You have 5 different senses. Who can tell me what your 5 different senses are? Touch. What about? Sight. Taste. You hear and you smell.
Ready to join the fun? Come see why our kids love learning every single day. Enroll now and let the discovery begin.